In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how to withdraw your earnings on the Meyo app. But before we go into the practical aspect of this video, there are things you need to know before you withdraw your earnings on the Meyo app. Because even after I have done my face authentication, I refer people, I earn a lot of money, and I want to withdraw my earnings on the Meyo app, I discovered that I was stuck and I couldn't withdraw my money. So all this I'm going to explain to you in the course of the video. But the basic things are: number one, you have to do your face authentication. The second thing you should also know is that you need to set your password, and I will show you practically how to do that with your email. And then you should also note that the withdrawal you can only do that once in a week, which is on Sundays. So if you have withdrawn your money, you have to wait till another Sunday before you will be able to place another withdrawal. So that's why you see that you will not see the withdrawing button and you will be wondering what is really happening. Okay. And then the fourth thing you should also know is that cash out is usually taking 3 to 7 days, but at most 30 days, but mostly is within that 3 to 7 days, because of course I have withdrawn my money. That is why I'm telling you all this. And then last but not the least, cash out is according to your region policy. So the amount of dollar, the exchange in your country policy or your region, that is what you are going to receive. And you can withdraw your earning via ePay, via USDT, via bank transfer. Of course, you know me, I love cryptocurrency, so I'm into crypto, so I withdraw via USDT. And if you are here, you want to learn how to open a trust wallet or how to open and verify your Binance account, I'm going to link the videos in the description of this video, or you can simply ask me in the comment section of this video. But even after doing all this, I was unable to withdraw my earning, and this is the message that I get when I wanted to withdraw my money. So I want you to also be careful of that, so that you will not encounter any problem while withdrawing. So they were like, when I click on withdraw, and after I put all this and I want to withdraw, they said the account abnormal, you didn't reach 30 minutes online every day and send 30 private chats in the last week. So knowing this make me to like, so I have to be very active. I cannot be running away and still be withdrawing money. Is that what it is? So yes, I now took my time for the last 1 week. I became active, not just because of the money, of course, is a motivation, but as well so that I'll be able to share with you this knowledge. Please give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Let's go to the practical aspect. You're welcome to the practical aspect of this video. So once you log into your Meyo app, you are going to click on the income or diamonds. Then it will bring you right here. First, you need to do your KYC. As when I did my KYC, I only have 8 diamonds. So you are going to input your phone number, your name, and upload the back and front of your ID card. Please, your name. Don't make the mistake. Ensure the name you are putting is exactly the same with the ID card you are going to use, either driving license, international passport, or national ID card. Okay, whatever you are going to use, ensure the name tally exactly. So once you have done that, you are also going to set password, because once you click that you want to withdraw, they will ask you to put in the password. Okay, so there are different you can actually withdraw $10, $15, depending on the diamond you have accumulated. So whenever you click on it, it will ask you to set your password. Okay, so let's say you click on $10, you want to convert and click get $10. They will say enter your password. So you create your password and repeat it. Then you can now click to withdraw your earnings, right? So when you click to withdraw your earning, you can tap, like I just tap this for $15 now, I think. And because I've actually converted bit by bit, and when I want to withdraw, it will tell me I've not done that, this, I've not done that. That's why I'm able to explain all this to you. As you can see here is 192. I keep on converting it before I now finally withdraw my money. So you can actually choose whatever you want. You can choose. Then you see right here I have 358. So I also converted it. So they asked me to put in my password, and I did. So once you have done that and you have do all this that I have mentioned, this time around you'll be able to withdraw your earnings. Okay, so all you need to do when you the pop-up, it will pop up, and remember that it can only be done on Sundays, right? So and you can withdraw to either ePay, USDT, or bank transfer. The bank transfer meaning your own country, right? It depends on your own location. Right here I'm a Nigerian, so that is why I have this option. Your own option might be different depending on your location. And of course I choose USDT. But please, if you know you are not good with crypto, you don't know about USDT, don't go for USDT. Okay, but if you are interested in learning how to withdraw through via your cryptocurrency, which is USDT, please check the comment section or drop a comment so that I can give you videos that you can learn about the Trust Wallet and how to also open a Binance account and verify. Okay, but if you know you don't know all that, don't go for it. So you click on OK. So once you are okay with it, you are going to paste your USDT wallet address. Okay, copy and paste your wallet address, and then you will now click on confirm. And again, for those that are doing USDT, ensure you check the network. Okay, if it is Tron, ensure it is Tron. If you are copying from Binance or Trust or whatever wallet you are using, make sure you have done that correctly, and then you will now click on confirm. That is if you are sure that the network is the same. Making this mistake will cost you everything, like your earnings will go to another place completely. All right, please, I'm repeating this because I've seen a lot of people that make mistake. I want to first of all say thank you to all those that really requested for this video. I greatly appreciate you. Thank you for the likes, thank you for the comment, thank you for subscribing, thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.